Howdy viewers, Bobby Brown, and this is going to be a shaky video because I'm going handheld, but I'm going to put this M&P 1522 magazine issue to rest. Now, some videos back, I was having some trouble with my Smith & Wesson. 1522 operates perfectly when it's clean, and never had any issues with it. All of a sudden I start having issues, and you know how it is. You start having issues, it's usually a magazine issue. Well, it just so happens that I have 3 of these black magazines and one of this desert tan or whatever that says bad on it. Well, it just so happens that I'll try to stand these up without knocking them over. I'm doing this with one hand, and I'll get that bullet out of there. I don't know if the material is different on the desert tan or whatever you call the tan mag, but something has happened, because if you look right here, I wish I had a pointer or something, this will work. If you look right here, go over here, boom, right here, okay, where's my marker? Oh, I can't see it. The glare from this light's killing me. I'm just going to have to pick it up. If you look right here, right there where my fingernail is, see how the ramp is worn? If you look at the other ones, the black ones, they're not like that. See the ramp on this one right here? It's not chewed away and not V'd out. Coming all the way across, look at this one. Maybe a little wear, but look at this one. Look at the wear on that one. Why is it going out of focus? There it is. I hope you can see that. It's a drastic difference. Now, for the failure issue is obvious as hell. Let me see here. I'm going to do this with one hand because I'm good. I'll stick one hand and no glasses. Okay? So there, I've got it in, and that's all cool and everything. But when you come up just a little bit, maybe a little spring tension, another bullet's in there, boom. She shoots straight up, stovepipes, jams the gun, frustrates the hell out of you. My advice to anybody out there, I don't know if you've had issues or not, but I'm not going to buy any more Desert Tan ones. They're all Smith & Wesson mags. I'll pull this one down a little bit and we'll do the same thing. See? No stovepipe. This one just doesn't have enough material right there at the end to hold it. I've done nothing different with this mag than I've done with the other 3. In fact, I usually load them all and shoot them all at the same time. So you tell me, different material? Seems like something's going on. Look at that. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Bobby Brown, Guns and Drums. Keep it pointed in a safe direction. Hit that like button because everybody likes to be liked, and yeehaw!